At One.SixTwo, we believe in the natural beauty and balance found in the golden ratio. We strive to create products that enhances your unique features while respecting the natural proportions of the face and body. Our commitment to the golden ratio means that every product is carefully crafted with a focus on the balance and harmony, helping you feel confident and beautiful, both inside and out. Introducing our expertly formulated Azelaic Acid Cream with aloe vera, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid, formulated for clear and healthy-looking skin. Step 1. Place 1 to 2 pumps in the palm of your hand and pat between your fingertips. Step 2. Press onto clean skin every morning and evening. Transform your skin with our Azelaic Acid. It calms redness, even skin tone, and fades dark spots for clearer, more radiant complexion. One.SixTwo, helping you feel confident and beautiful.